Hello everyone, I am here to present HomelyHub app using MERN Stack under the guidance of WebStack Academy. This is presented by me, Chetan Nayak HS, Computer Science and Engineering, Adichunchanagiri Institute of Technology, Chikkamangaluru. Let's dive into our project. The HomelyHub application is built using the MERN Stack. The app consists of several components including the home screen, my booking screen, hotel details screen, login and sign up screen, and my account screen. The home screen displays the list of hotels and includes a search bar and number of guests for booking hotel. A full stack developer must have a deep understanding of various technologies and programming languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node.js, and MongoDB. We have used all these in our internship. Let's look at all the things.
Full stack is nothing but a developer or an engineer who is skilled and knowledgeable in working on both the front end and back end. So, full stack is nothing but the developer who works on both front end and back end is called as full stack developer. And he can be proficient in both front end and back end technology. He should be knowing both front end technologies and back end technologies as well. And he should handle all aspects of web application development. Okay. Bridging the gap between the user interface and server side operation. So the application must work seamlessly without any delay or lag and create seamless user experience and ensures application functionality. So, what is front end? Front end is nothing but the visible part of the website or application. So, when you open a website, what you see the design, the navigation bar, the search bar, that is called as front end. What you see the design is called as front end. So, it basically deals with the user experience like UI, UX, and it can involve HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. So front end can include HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, as mentioned here, and focuses on creating an engaging and user-friendly interface. So the application must be user-friendly. So designing is the main part of the website, which matters a lot. And some of the front-end technologies which we can use are HTML, which is hypertext markup language, which is used for structuring the application or the web page. And CSS, the full form is cascading style sheets, which is used for designing or styling the web page. And JavaScript is used for interactivity and functionality. So some of the frameworks and libraries which we use for front end are like React, which I'll show this React project at the last of the video. Please don't skip the video. And we can use Angular or Vue for efficient development. Okay, let's see the backend. What is backend? So backend is nothing but the behind scenes of the web application means like the data being stored at the backend, the processing and the server side logic. Basically, it manages the database server configuration and APIs. And it also ensures applications, functionality, security, and performance. Backend is also used for providing performance and security, which mainly depends on the processing of server side. Okay, and some technologies which we use in the backend are like programming language, Java, Python, PHP, Node.js, etc. And databases which we use to store the data can include MySQL, MongoDB, etc. In I used MongoDB for creating this project, which I'll be showing at the last. And server technologies, Apache, IIS, etc. Frameworks, you can use Django, which is Python, Express.js, Node.js. And you can use APIs, which is also a backend application programming interface, is the full form of it. Basically, it allows communication between different software components. So let's see what are the roles and responsibilities of a full stack web developer. So if you want to become a full stack web developer, what are the roles that will be assigned to you? We can uh, See, the roles are for front end, you can become designing user interface, and ensuring responsive design. The website must be responsive because when you use on the using the laptop or PC, the web page should be responsive to the display size. And if you use on the mobile, the size of the icons, everything should be changed and should be responsive according to the screen size of the display. And third point is implementing user actions. So in front end, if you click on something like submitting a form, if you click on the submit button, the actions should be interactive. Okay. And backend responsibilities, you can become developing server side logic. You can develop server side logic and algorithms, and you can manage database like as I mentioned earlier. You can store data in MySQL or MongoDB, which is also a backend part. And we can implement security measures. As I previously mentioned, you can uh, improve the performance and the keep guard of security using the backend. So let us discuss about MERN Stack, which we'll be discussing today. So this was the introduction part which I gave previously, and this is the main MERN Stack, which I'll show the project at the end. Please stay on the video. Don't skip the video. So MERN Stack is nothing but a combination of technologies like backend, MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. So MongoDB is nothing but the database storing the data, which I mentioned earlier. Express.js, it is nothing but a web application framework for Node.js that helps you manage routes, handle HTTP request, and create APIs. Think of it as a set of tools and rules to organize your web server. And React, as everyone knows, it is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. And finally, Node.js. This is a JavaScript runtime that allows you to run JavaScript on server side. So the project which I developed in the project will be seeing all these four technologies, that is MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. So what is React.js? React.js is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Like it is nothing but the JavaScript library, which will give us more capabilities to build a website. So when you compare to normal HTML, CSS, and JavaScript web page, the interactivity and the components, the options offered, there will be less compared to this JavaScript libraries which will be offering from React. So we use React for developing interactive web pages. So React.js is developed and maintained by Facebook. Okay, the Facebook is maintaining the React.js currently, and React.js was first released in 2013. Okay, it's used to create dynamic and interactive web application. As I mentioned earlier, React offers many components and many features when compared to normal web page, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This one offers more dynamic. It will be more dynamic and interactive web pages we can create with the help of React.js. So React is the most popular library for making single page applications. So when you create a normal HTML, CSS, and JavaScript application, when you um, click on a like what to say, you click on a submit or anything, it will load to new page. It will go to new page. So in this React or MERN stack, React is a single page application. Like it will not load. If you click on any, like in YouTube, if you click on a video, it will load in the same web page. It will not go to, it will not open a new tab. So this is what this means. Okay, React is a key part of MERN stack. Okay, MongoDB, Express.js, React, Node.js. This is the combination of what we are building here, which we call MERN, MERN. You can see it. It is a open source library, which means it is available for free and has large and active community of developers. So basically, the React.js is a open source, and it is available for free. You can develop projects using React.js. So why React? Why did we choose React to develop the project? So traditionally we include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but it can become complex and hard to manage. As I was telling earlier, using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript becomes complex and hard to manage. And React simplifies the process by using components to create modular and reusable UI elements. So React, the advantage of React is using React is you can reuse the UI elements and you can create modular components. By using modular components, you can create modular and components make it easier to update, maintain, and scale web applications. So React becomes easy to update. If you want to change any options or feature, you can easily update and you can maintain easily and you can scale the web application. So this is the advantages of React over the traditional web development like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So we are using React for building our project. So let's see the features of React.js. So it is JSX. JSX means nothing but includes JavaScript and HTML. You can write the JavaScript as in HTML format. So it is a combination of HTML and JavaScript. And second one is components. Components, you can reuse the components. So in HTML, in traditional way, we used to create multiple times, which becomes complex and hard. So components you can in this React.js, the components helps us very well because you can reuse the components. If you create a component, you can reuse in all the web page, all the parts. So you don't need to rewrite the code, and this saves time also. And performance, as I told, performance. The performance is more like the loading and the performance is more when compared to the traditional web development applications. And it is simplicity. Simplicity is nothing but it is very simple to use and it is very easier to use. And virtual DOM, it will create a virtual DOM where you can run the React.js. So this is the additional feature which React.js is offering. One-way data binding. So the data binding can be in one way. So it prevents some complex parts and it is very easy to use. So these are the features of React.js, which is very easy to use. And now let's see the project demo, which I'll be showing now. So let me open my Visual Studio Code. So this is my project. So see at the bottom, you can see the two terminals here. The right one is for the backend part and the left one is for front end part. So let me open the MongoDB. MongoDB is nothing but you store the data and you retrieve whenever needed. So this is, let me connect the MongoDB. Our project name is HomelyHub. Let me open this. Yeah, you can see booking properties user. Let me open the Visual Studio Code and let me run the backend first. Space, npm start. We use npm start to run the backend as well as the front end. So here we can see MongoDB on to 7.0.01 home layer app running on port 8000 DB connection successfully. So our database MongoDB is connected successfully. Now let's see the front end part. So let me go to the path npm start. So here you can see the project demo, which I'll be explaining now. The project is loading. So this is our project. Here you can see this is a home app which is basically used to book rooms when you go like for vacations. You can book rooms. So here we are having the HomelyHub logo, and here we have the search bar where you can search destination and you can select the date, start date, end date, and here you can add the guest number of guests and here is the search icon where if you click on this, the search, it will be filtered, and here you can see the filter section, and this is the login. This is my photo. This is my account. Here there are two options, my account and logout. So let me introduce you to the login page. Let me log out. And here you can see my photo has been disappeared. So let me log in from the first. So here it is asking me for email and password. There is option forgot password also, and here is the login button. If you are new to this website, so then you can click on new user. So you can basically register your details like name, email, password confirm, phone number, register. When you do this, the data will be stored in the MongoDB and it will be used for security purpose. So I'm already registered, so I'll be using my email and I'll be giving my password. So let me log in. See, here you can see user has logged successfully. You can see the icon here. It is coming in green. So this tells us the I logged in successfully. And as well, you can see my photo also. If you click on this, you can see my account details also. See, this is my full name. It is showing my full name, email address, and my phone number. Here it is displaying welcome user, and this is my photo, which I um, added the photo before creating this after creating this account. And here there are two options. You can edit the profile and you can change the password as well. So if you want to edit profile, so you can change your name to Hari. So the name will be changed here also, as you can see here. And you can change the avatar, like you can change the profile pic by browsing here. And if you click on this update, it will be updated. So let me go back. And this is another option, change password. If you want to change your password, if you're willing to change your password, if your password is too complex and you want to change the password, and then you can click on this. So this is the update password page where you can enter the current password and you can enter the new password and confirm the new password. Again, you can enter the new password to confirm and you can click on this update password. So the password will be updated according to the given password. So here you can see many cards where it is displaying rooms or the with location and with address and with price per night. So here you can search. So if you want to search, you want to go for Munnar. Let us say if you want to go to Munnar and the start date you can select from 1st April to 5th April and you can add number of guests as 3. If you click on search icon, you'll get Munna Farmhouse. As we search Munna, you will get Munna Farmhouse as per the filter we used. Okay, and if you click on the Munnar, if you want, and you can see here the address of the Munnar Farmhouse, Kerala Munnar 6, and you can see the postal pin code 685612. And here you can, this is the gallery part where you can see the images of the place like farmhouse where you are going to stay. And if there is an icon called this gallery image, if you click on this, you can you can see all the images. It will open this pop-up window where you can see all the images, so you can get an idea about the place. And then while coming down, you can see there is a description part where the description of the place is given here, and here you can see maximum guest number of guests is 8. So maximum 8 people can go to this place, like stay in this room. So what this place offers, you can see Wi-Fi is provided, AC is there, free parking is provided, and washing machine is provided. So it is showing 2,800 per night. And if you go at the bottom, this is the map which you can see. See Munnar, you are getting the location of Munnar. So this is the map, and you'll get extra information if you want. By the way, this is the footer which I forgot to mention earlier. This is the footer where you can see the copyright symbol, privacy terms, sitemap, company details, English, INR language, rupees. So let us come back. This is this is the place where you will book. book per night. You can select the start date and end date. If you want from 1st to 5th, you can select the date like this. And if you want number of guests as, let us say 9, but the maximum guest is 8. If you want 9, if you click on 9, let us see will it accept or not. Full name array, let us enter some number. See, it is showing error. Value must be less than or equal to 8. See, we gave a maximum number of guests is 8, so it is showing the value must be less than 8. So let us give 8. See, for 8 members, it is calculating and showing 11,200. If you give 7, sorry, the amount is calculated per the number of nights. See, how many days you are staying, that many days per night it will display. So you can see a per night. The capacity is 8. I can say the capacity is, but for what for 4 days you are charging 11,200. So if you go forward and book this place, you can book the place, and if you want to book this place, click on this, and here you can enter your card number, which is nothing but the payment page where you can do your payment. Let us enter the card number, and let us enter the card expiry month format 08, and you can see here it is asking for year. Let us use 2028. Let us give 28. See, when you give 20, it is showing in red color. Like the text is in red color, which means that it is already expired. So the current year is 2024. You have entered 2020. Even if you enter 2023 also, 23 is the year, then it is showing that 23 is already expired. So this reminds us the when it reminds us about the card expiry also. If you give 24, it is showing it doesn't show any error because the current month is April. So I gave August as the month. As you can see here, 8. So still remaining 4 months are there to expiry. So it will accept this. You can enter three numbers for card saving. And if you click on the pay, this is a pay button. If you click on this pay button, see, this is I made this booking previously. See, your Munnar farmhouse for 4 nights from 4/1/2024 to 4/5/2024 we selected, and the price you can see here as 11,200 as we saw earlier. And if you click on this, you can see the details of your booking, and you can see the gallery and the photo, and you can see you can details of booking like 4 nights from 4th April to 5th April, and you can see the address, location, and you can see the total price as well. This is nothing but my bookings where I book this I book this all I booked previously, so it is showing. And you can see my profile also here. This I showed earlier, my bookings. And if I click on this logo, it will go to the home page. See, if I open this, this is Olive Inn from which is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. If I want to go back, see even the maps here you can see Chennai. It is showing the Chennai proper location. See, for Munnar, it was showing Kerala, and for this Olive in uh, Tamil Nadu, it is showing Chennai. It is showing the proper location for each cards. It has different places, and for different places, it is showing different location. So maps gives us idea. It will be easier for us to locate where it is, and we can see the roads as well. And here you can see only kitchen, parking, and Wi-Fi were available. In that, washing machine also was available. Like, and here you can see maximum number of guests is 10. In previously in Munnar, there was only maximum number of guests was 8. See, even the price is different for this. For this, it is 3,000 for olive in. See, when you after opening this page, when you want to go back to the home page, if you click on this logo, okay, as you can see here, if you click on this logo, you can go to the home page. See, I'll click on this home logo now. See, you're going for the home page. And you have all the web cards which displays with the location, with price, everything. And there you can go to next page as well. If you click on this, there are some other places also, as you can see here. And let me show this filter option. So this is nothing but the filter option which is provided here. So this is the dragging option where you can drag the upper price. This is the lower price and this is the upper price. This is the price range which you want. You can set the bounds between the lower and upper. If you want, let us say minimum, let us say 1,000 rupees. So you can drag to 1,000, or you can type here also 1,000 as 1,000. See, if you type here 1,000, this bar is moving automatically to 1,000. And let us say we want a maximum of 15,000. So we can drag from here to 15,000. So you can drag and you can select 15,081. And you can change here also. You can, if you want exact values, you can give 15,000. See, the this navigation bar, like this price range is adjusting automatically according to the lower bound and upper bound. So this helps us a lot to filter when you need in a budget. And you can select the type of the property like house, flat, guest house, hotel. Let us select house. And there's a room type option also where you can select and you want entire room or only room or any type. Let us select any type. And amenities. These are the amenities, facilities which will be provided when you stay there. So let me select Wi-Fi and TV. And if you here is a apply option, here is a clear option. If you press on this clear option, all the filter which you have selected will be cleared. So let us click on apply filters. Let us see according to this from 1,000 to 15,000, what are the places we can visit, and property type we selected house and room type is any type, and amenities we selected Wi-Fi and TV. Let us apply the filter. So no properties found. See, property not found. So we should change. We should change. I think we should change. Let us deselect this TV. Let us select. Let this be 15,000 itself. Let this be 1,000 as usual. Sorry, this is 1,500. Let me select 15,000. See, you can see this is correct. Let me apply the filter. See, you can see Kartika flat, which is available under from 1,000 to 15,000. You can see the price 4,000 per night. And you can see here, Wi-Fi is there. As I selected amenities Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi is provided here. And the budget is within the filter which we gave. And this is the project. If you click on this logo, you'll go to the home page. And you can log out, you can add new customer also. That all the details will be stored in this MongoDB. Let me show you. So let me select on the users. So this is the user which Arisham. This is where I logged in using the email ID and the password and the phone number. Created at it will show the date and time when you created and when you updated. Okay. And this is the other account which I logged in. You can have multiple accounts. You can see properties, all the details like olive in. As I showed you earlier, the property details, everything will be showed here. Maximum night, maximum guest. So price, all the values will be stored in this MongoDB, which is the backend, and the bookings. So these are the bookings we created. See, this is the booking which we created just now. You can see the date 24/4/1. This is for 4 nights. Guest is 8, which we created. Paid. See, paid. The payment status we can check here. Paid is true, and price was 11,200, as I showed you earlier. See, all the details will be stored in this MongoDB, and you can update these properties users here also. And the last option which I want to show you is if you go to my account, there are my accommodation. See, which this is the place which I added. Okay, you can add new place. If you click on this add a new place, you can see you can add the title like let me select new house, and let me give the area like KR Puram and city as Bangalore. Let me select the state as Karnataka. Let me give the pin code 5600. 36. And here you can add the photo links. Here, for adding photo links, you should go to Google and you can select any photo like house images. Let me select house images. Let me see. See, you can see this. You can click on this image and right click, copy the image address. You can copy the image address. You can go here. You should add minimum. You should upload 5 images. You can see here. You can paste the link here. If you click on this add button, the images will be uploaded here. Like that, you can add more images also. You can add multiple images. If you want to click on, let me click this. Copy image address. Go here. Paste here. So I'll paste 3 times more because we have less time. You can upload photo also from the file directory also. There are two options available. You can add link also, or you can upload the photo from the file manager. You can select from locally. I'll add the same image 2 times. So the error will go. See, I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images. So let me go to the description. Let me write something. So we can select the property type. This is, let me select, see, you can see it, see the options house, flat, guest house, hotel. Let us select house. Room type, entire room. You can give what are the amenities available in your house. Like you have Wi-Fi in your home and free parking. If you have TV, you can select this. If you have AC, you can select this. And extra info, let me do the same because we don't have more time. And you can see the check-in time. Let me select 7 to 12 p.m. Maximum guest, let me allow maximum guest, let us say 9. And we'll give the price per night as 5,250 per night. If you click on the save button, see the new house will be added. As the description, the new house will be added. If you click on this logo, you'll go to home page. And if you go to the next page in this home page, you can see this is the new house which we added, which we added currently just now. So you can see new house, which I gave the title as new house, Bangalore, Karnataka. It is showing the address also. See, this is the care from Bangalore 560036 Karnataka, which we gave earlier. See, you can click on this images. So whatever you added, I added more than one. So it is showing like this. So see, I give maximum guest as see, you can see the price which I gave here, and these are the amenities which I offered earlier. You can see the Bangalore location is offered. So, well, guys, this is the one project which I created. So, thank you, guys.